In this video, we are going to see how we can save the work on Tableau Public. So we can save it locally and on the cloud platform. Here's what you can do. First of all, we have created multiple sheets. We are working on our charts. And let's see after that, we want to save this. So just go to the file and click to save as or save to Tableau Public. First of all, let's save it locally. Click on save as. I want to save my work. And in fact, let's do it in 14, my dashboard. Let's name it like that. Tableau, hit enter. And you can see now the name has changed to Tableau dashboard. So that's very important. Otherwise your data might be lost. Let's open this Tableau application again. And now on the main screen, you will see my Tableau dashboard. If not, like this, you can still open it. Just click on open and it will show you your local locations in your drive. You can select the relevant file, click open, and it should still open it like that. The other method is just upload it to the cloud. For that, we will use this save button, save to Tableau Public. Either you can use that or you can go to the file menu and click on save to Tableau Public. Both of these are same. You can also use the short key of Control S. So let's press Control S to save this. But for that, we need to sign in to Tableau Public. Let's quickly sign in. And now let's press Control S. It says publishing views, preparing view, saving workbook to Tableau Public. It might take some time and then it will show you something like this, my dashboard, Tableau. It's saved to public now. So that's how you can save your Tableau Public workbook, both locally and on the cloud. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.